Hi there, I am Dr. Rena Becerra at Simi Psychological Group, and I want to talk to you today about issues with your teenager. And the first thing that I want to ask you is, how is your connection with your teenager? Do you ever find that you're struggling with ways to connect with them on a deeper level? Perhaps you don't speak their language, or you don't feel like you do, or they don't respond to you the way that you really are hoping. The bond just isn't there, and the connection is lacking. And so you're looking for better ways to talk to them in this day and age of social media and electronics, devices, and those sorts of things. Well, we've got some exciting news here at Simi Psychological Group, and that is we've got help. We've got a really amazing free workshop that we are running, and that is an hour and a half, 90-minute workshop. And I will be running that workshop, and it's going to be packed with resources, information, and different ways for you to connect with your teen in a way that will help you talk to them on their level. It will help you feel more connected. Maybe, the distractions of telephones and, gadgets, maybe helping your teenager put those gadgets down and really talk to you in the way that you've been craving and really need in your relationship with them. Also, we have a really exciting group coming up, and that's besides the workshop. So it's a separate group, and that group is a parenting group for parents of teenagers. And that is a 12-week group that will have a whole curriculum, a structure. You can see that below. There is a whole curriculum and the structure to it, and basically it will cover how to talk to your teen about certain things that are delicate. What about your teen's friendships? How to bond with them? What about boundaries? Have you maybe struggled with getting what you need out of the relationship with your teenager and them getting their needs met as well? It's going to focus on all of those things that are so important to your relationship with your teenager to create a meaningful and important connection that maybe seems lacking right now. So I think that you would really enjoy it. We're very excited to be offering it, and we have so much in store for you. So what I would love for you to do right now is to click the link below. That's going to tell you all about our free workshop. We have dates, phone numbers, contact information, and even a little bit of information about our practice and the doctors that work here. And we also have information about the parenting group. So if you're a parent of a teenager and you're really interested in this, please check it out below, and you'll be able to see the interesting group that we have created, and we're just so excited to bring this to you. So please go ahead and look at that information below and give it a try. I think that this is really going to help you develop a meaningful bond and connection with your teenager and help create the real change that you need in your relationship with your teen. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please check out our information. I think you would really benefit from it. So hope to see you at our group and our free workshop. Thanks so much, and have a great night.